I had a really interesting travel experience back in the fall. Ended up having to make last-minute travel plans, but it was very urgent that I get to my destination. As I looked into the flights, all the seats on the planes were full, the loads were full. In addition to that, the forecast was for bad weather to move into my destination city. I wasn't sure what I should do, so I decided to pray, which is what I'm accustomed to doing when I run into problems that I don't see answers to. The answer that I feel I received from God was in the form of a simple phrase, "Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs," which is the title of a child's movie. I wasn't sure what that meant in relation to me, so I asked God to clarify that for me after chuckling for a minute or two. The answer seemed to be that the forecast of full planes, the forecast of bad weather moving into the area, all had no relationship to what I needed to do, and I should move forward with the plans as best I could. So that's what I did. I headed for the airport, even though I was late. Went ahead and sent my wife and niece ahead of me, and they actually made it on the plane, which didn't look like a good bet. Of course, that left me stranded with another plane that didn't look good, but in following with this idea of cloudy with a chance of meatballs, I went ahead and moved forward with my plans, and I was able to get on the plane, get to my destination, have everything I needed to have, and get back home safely and smoothly and harmoniously. For that, I'm very grateful.